Yo, what is going on back, everybody? It's Joey with the Rant Lifestyle, back with another video. Today's video, we're doing a canister purge valve install on the 3 valve. So let's get right in this video.
Canister purge valve, part number 911673. Got it at AutoZone for $34. They have one that's like 80 something, but it's got a little deal right here coming off the. Actually, it'd be about right here. I'll show you under the car. You don't even need that. And the dude at AutoZone was like, dude, this ain't gonna fit your car. And I'm like, dude, shut the hell up and give me the damn part. So he had to order it. It took 2 days. Saved probably about 50 bucks. Let's get right in the install. She's dirty as hell. I'm gonna get her cleaned up. Alright, so here's the part. It's located on the driver's side by the strut tower. It's right here. You're gonna have this little clip. What you're gonna do is push down on it. It slides off, get it out the way. Then you're gonna have these yellow push-in deals. Push it in. Might be easier to push this little tab here. You can actually slide it off. Be easier to get to. Let me get back, but you see what I'm talking about. You just push this down and pull it off. I'll be back as soon as I get this. See what I'm talking about? They don't have this. You don't even need that. But you can see what I'm talking about. They have the deal here. You just push down on it, slides off. You won't need to push that in when you're putting it back on. So let's go ahead and do this right here. It just slides on, just like that. Let's see. Let's take our bottom hose, put it on first. You're just gonna hear it click. You're good. Push the second one on. Click. Now grab your wire. Push it on, and you're done. Alright, everybody, that's gonna be it for this video. There's no need to pay a shop for something that easy to fix. I mean, it took 5 minutes. It'd probably take less if I wasn't videoing it. Just follow those steps I showed you, and then that should be all you need to do. Don't go pay an expensive ass shop to fix something that easy. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Just like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.